The day I made my first sale, without even knowing it, changed everything. I'll never forget the day I made my first sale, without even knowing it. I was in my kitchen, cooking dinner. My hands were full. My phone was across the counter. It buzzed once. A notification. I wiped my hands, picked it up, and there it was. My very first sale. No ads, no DMs, no chasing people, no complicated tech. Just my system quietly working for me, while I was living my life. That's when I realized something powerful. I didn't need to be an expert. I didn't need to know every marketing trick. I just needed the right setup. And that setup started with two tools that changed everything for me. Number 1, LaunchPad. LaunchPad is the beginner-friendly launch kit that showed me exactly how to automate my business and post free ads that actually work. It comes with one built-in income stream. And the best part, you can set it up even if you have zero tech experience. It gave me the foundation I needed to understand automation, leads, and sales without overwhelm. You can grab it here. Click link below. Number 2, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. Once I got comfortable, I upgraded to the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. And that's where things really took off. This program teaches how to build $300 per day passive income using storytelling and branding. It includes LaunchPad plus additional income streams, all with 100% profit through master resale rights. I learned how to create faceless digital content that connects, converts, and continues earning, even when I'm offline. These systems taught me that I didn't have to trade hours for dollars anymore. They run quietly in the background, while I cook, spend time with family, or travel. And that one sale was the first of many. It reminded me that freedom doesn't come from working more, it comes from working smarter. So if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start, remember this. You don't need fancy skills. You just need systems that work for you. Simplify your setup, trust the process, and let your business create income while you live your life. Pause for a beat. Music swells. You can learn about all my programs here. Click the link in bio. It still amazes me that I can earn while living life, not just working through it. What would you do if your business earned while you slept? I'm Chillstar08, and I'm here to show you how to build quiet freedom through faceless systems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment ready if you're ready to start your own journey.